On August 1st, 2023, a mechanic was tasked with removing an exhaust from a pontoon pump roof assembly. As a safer alternative to working at heights, the mechanic sought assistance to lay the roof section over on its side to enable access to the exhaust from ground level. Two qualified high-risk work license holders, a crane operator and rigger, were subsequently tasked with moving the roof section through use of a Franna crane. Upon arriving at the job location and discussing the task, the workers noted that the load had an obvious weight imbalance to one side. The workers decided that they would use the Franna crane to first drag the roof section across the ground out of the way from other equipment. Once the load was clear, it was intended that they would use the crane and the weight bias of the roof to assist in laying it down on its heavier side. It was anticipated that this could be achieved without the need for lifting the heavier side from the ground. 10mm chains were then attached from the Franna crane to the two thinner legs located on the lighter side of the load. Once ready, the lighter side of the load was raised slightly, with the heavier side remaining in contact with the ground. The rigger then signaled for the crane operator to commence reversing the crane in order to drag the load away from other equipment. During this stage, the rigger was pulling at one of the roof section legs in attempts to assist in the movement of the load across the ground. The load had been moved across the ground approximately 1 meter, at which point the load became unbalanced and broke holding contact with the ground. The unbalanced load then became uncontrolled, swinging and striking the rigger, causing serious leg injuries. The other workers then attended to the injured rigger, initiating site emergency procedures and calling for urgent medical assistance. In conclusion, sites should undertake a review of fatal hazard controls and verification processes associated with lifting, including not working within exclusion zones and the use of taglines when appropriate. It is also recommended that Safety Bulletin 199, updated and published the 7th of August 2023, be circulated to all coal mine workers.